Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a super easy keto-friendly chicken dinner. As a busy working mom, it is super important to make meals that are super easy and quick. So if you want to see how I made this, then just keep watching. So what I love about this dish is the ingredients are minimal, so you can use fresh or frozen spinach, some artichoke hearts, cream cheese, some type of chicken or bone broth, and boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And then I always line my crock pot with these liners. It makes cleanup incredibly easy. First, you're going to add your boneless, skinless chicken breasts to the bottom of the crock pot. Next, you're going to add your artichoke hearts. I did drain this can. There's still a little bit of juices, but that's okay. It'll cook in. Next, you're going to add your spinach. Honestly, I wish that I would have used frozen because this kind of was difficult to get a lot of spinach packed in here because obviously it condenses as it cooks. And then lastly, I'm going to add the cream cheese, and I did put the cream cheese in between the spinach, as you will see here. I should have put it in before, but I didn't, so I just sandwiched it in right here. Then just set your crock pot to low for 4 hours, and then we'll come back and check on it. Next, you're just going to stir everything up all together and shred the chicken. I know it looks like a little bit juicy, but it's okay. When you take it out to put it into the casserole dish, you can use a spoon that has some holes in it to drain some of the liquid, and it also did thicken up after it cooked a little bit longer. Now just turn it back on low for 2 more hours, and then we'll be back to check on it. Once the 2 hours was up, I went ahead and dished it into this casserole dish. I used a spoon with holes to eliminate some of the liquid, but I still did leave some of the liquid so that it wouldn't dry out. And now I'm topping it with some mozzarella cheese. Next step is to just pop it into the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. And there you have it. Look at that. It looks so good, and it was so good. A super easy, healthy, keto-friendly meal for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate your support. If you have any recommendations on videos that you would like me to film, please leave them in the comments below. Also, if there are any keto-friendly dishes that you have tried that you love, please comment those down below as well. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.